Okay, hi. Just a few touches here. So what I would like to suggest is to remove email and remove phone names, titles from here. So just an email and the phone number to be visible without these titles. This is great. So it's the almost, yeah, it's the same size for the as they have. Then when it comes to this part, the AEH real estate team, can we have it completely unbolded as here? As you can see, it's very thin font, so completely unbolded, which is something they would like to have. Our listing looks great. Then we will find your perfect home. It can be in the same size as this title and unbold. So you can say find your perfect home, but smaller. This also should be smaller. You see how they say our listings, maybe condos, homes, custom townhouses, townhomes needs to be within the button but smaller, just like this. Same goes for the who we serve, completely unbolded, as you can see how it's here. Then you see how button and the about is very small. So this needs to be also updated to make that change. Same goes with the testimonials, what our clients say, please unbold it, have it very thin font, feature services, and these, maybe these you don't have to, just keep this, not a problem. Contact us, write to us, call us, find us. All this needs to be a less bold as it is for now. So basically that is what they are looking for, and they will send us the next pointers once they see this change. Thanks.